Did you know India's dependency on importing lentils has been a serious issue? But now the country is turning the tables. The government and farmers are working together to boost local production, and the results are surprising. By watching this video, you will learn why lentils are so important for our diet and economy, how farmers are getting involved in this revolution, and how this shift impacts food security in India. Topics that we have for you today are: why are lentils so important to India's diet and economy? What policies have helped India kickstart this lentil revolution? Why are more farmers switching to lentil cultivation? How is technology revolutionizing lentil farming? How do lentils fare against climate change? What economic benefits do lentils bring to farmers? How does this revolution contribute to India's food security? What's the road ahead for India's lentil revolution? Lentils are a crucial part of Indian diet, providing essential protein to millions, especially in rural areas where meat consumption is less common. They are also a core ingredient in various Indian dishes like dal, sambar, and soups. But the importance goes beyond the kitchen. Lentils are the foundation of India's agriculture and food security system. With over 1.3 billion people to feed, the demand for lentils has skyrocketed, and India, traditionally the largest producer, now faces a huge challenge: importing more than 50% of its lentils. This dependency puts the nation at risk of price hikes, trade restrictions, and supply disruptions. But how is India dealing with this? Let's take a look at the steps being taken. In response to the growing crisis, India has rolled out several key policies. The government has increased the minimum support price for lentils to make them a more attractive crop for farmers. Additionally, the National Food Security Mission aims to boost production by improving seed quality, providing subsidies, and increasing technical support. The result has been a significant rise in the area dedicated to lentil farming across India. But how are these challenges affecting farmers on the ground? That brings us to the next question. Why are farmers switching to lentil cultivation? Are lentils a regular part of your diet? Drop a comment below with your favorite lentil recipe, and let's talk about it. Farmers are increasingly turning to lentils for several reasons. First, lentils are less water intensive than traditional crops like rice and wheat, making them perfect for regions facing water scarcity. Moreover, lentils require fewer pesticides and fertilizer, reducing input costs. Over time, these factors have made lentils an economically viable crop. Another significant factor is the rise in demand due to government's MSP policies. With higher profits and fewer risks, it's clear why lentils are becoming the crop choice for many farmers. But can modern farming techniques make a big difference in how much they produce? Let's find out next. Modern technology is playing a key role in helping farmers increase lentil yields. From high-yield seed varieties to precision farming tools like GPS-guided tractors and drones, the digital transformation of agriculture is making a huge impact. In addition, the use of drip irrigation systems is reducing water usage and making farming more sustainable. These technologies are not just boosting production but also ensuring that the farming process is environmentally friendly. So, with all these advancements, are lentils truly climate resilient? Let's dive into that in our next point. Lentils are a remarkably climate resilient crop. which is crucial as global climate change continues to impact agriculture. They can grow in regions with low water availability, high temperatures, and poor soil quality. Their deep root systems allow them to access moisture even in drought prone areas. This ability to thrive under tough conditions makes lentils an ideal crop for India, which is facing both rising temperatures and unpredictable rainfall. But with all these benefits, what about the economics of lentils? Can they help small farmers earn more? If you are finding this content helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Your support means a lot and it motivates me to keep bringing you these deep dives into important topics. Lentils offer great economic benefits, especially for small and marginal farmers. Due to their lower input requirements, farmers spend less on water, fertilizers, and pesticides. Additionally, the higher MSP offers better profits compared to other crops. This had made lentil production a viable and attractive option, especially for farmers who were previously struggling with rising input costs for rice and wheat. This shift is not just a short-term benefit but an essential step in improving India's agricultural sustainability. But as we expand production, how does this boost India's overall food security? Lentils are an important part of India's nutrition, especially for low-income families who rely on them as a primary source of protein. By increasing domestic production and reducing reliance on imports, India can stabilize price and avoid the uncertainty caused by global market fluctuations. Lentils also have a high nutritional value, making them an affordable solution to malnutrition, especially in rural areas. With a self-sufficient lentil market, India can create a more robust and resilient food system. But despite this progress, what challenges are still standing in the way of full self-sufficiency? Let's look at the road ahead. The future of India's lentil revolution looks promising, but there are still hurdles to overcome. Issues like price volatility, inconsistent access to high-quality seeds, and the effects of climate change remain a challenge. However, continued government intervention and innovative farming techniques can ensure long-term success. With global demands for lentils expected to rise, India has the opportunity to not only meet its own needs but become a major exporter of lentils. It's a transformation that's just beginning, but it's one that can change the landscape of Indian agriculture for the better. What do you think? Will this initiative succeed in making India self-sufficient in lentils? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Your opinions really motivate me to create more videos like this. See you soon in the next video.